Today, you are invited to join my new membership program, The Creative Pianist. More on that in a second, but first I want to tell you a story. There was once two sisters. Their father was a talented acoustic guitarist. Their mother enjoyed acting in the local theatre. So they had performance in their blood, and it made sense that they would gravitate towards music lessons. The elder of the two sisters decided that she would do piano lessons, and she seemed to enjoy them, so the younger sister followed suit. They found a piano teacher in their local town. This teacher was renowned. She'd played for the Queen of England, she had awards all across the walls, and she'd taught two brothers, the Finn brothers, who had gone on to be in a popular band called Crowded House, the two most famous musicians to come from this town. To say the least, these two sisters were very excited. Each week they would be dropped off at their piano lessons together. One would wait outside while the other would go in and have their lesson, and then they would switch places. They would learn pieces, they would play their scales, their hardest, and they would even attempt to sight read. A girl of 10 and a girl of 6, both trying their best to please. Soon the expectations of the teacher began to grow, while her patience was growing thin. The girls started to receive discipline for their lack of virtuosity. What started as sighs and humphs and loud breaths to the side soon turned into piano lid slams. Don't do it like that, do it like this. Shouting, raps on the knuckle with a ruler, then tears. One day the elder sister exited her piano lesson with tears streaming down her face, vowing never to return. The mother, seeing the devastation that these lessons had wrought, quickly pulled out the younger sister from lessons as well and found her an alternative piano teacher who would be a bit more compassionate. The younger sister flourished under the more flexible approach of this new teacher. She was given the freedom to explore different genres, given projects to compose, even melodies to try and figure out by ear. These creative opportunities grew her curiosity and passion for the instrument until she'd pretty much forgotten about the sharp raps on the knuckles she used to receive. That little girl was me, and my elder sister, who was very talented at the piano, was so traumatized by that overly strict teacher that she never returned to playing. Now, that's my story about rigid piano learning, but yours may be similar. In fact, I've heard this story, countless variations of it, from so many people who, for whatever reason, have been either turned off the piano or had to quit for other reasons outside of their control. Whatever your variation of this story, it's devastating, but it's not beyond repair. You can still become that creative pianist that you've always wanted to be. And I have just the thing to help you get there. With the new membership, you'll receive all the resources that you need to become the creative pianist you've always wanted to be. You'll receive access to my entire catalogue of piano courses, live recorded coaching sessions, workshops, song tutorials, pianist advice, musical discussions, and a members-only newsletter sent once a month. These courses include Prepare to Play, Super Basics, Songs by Ear, Hack That Riff, Let's Play, plus you'll get access to the vault of all previous workshops and coaching series. On top of that, you'll receive the monthly newsletter to your inbox full of advice, tips, and spotlighting new content in the members area that you need to know about. You'll get unlimited support and access to the VIP community. That stands for Very Important Pianist. All of this material is already valued at $750, right? As well as all of that, you'll also get a 1-hour live group coaching session every single month. Normally, an hour-long one-on-one lesson with me will cost you between $50 and $60. But because I'm doing these as group sessions, we can split the cost up between many people. And so I can teach you to become a creative pianist for a fraction of the price. Over a 1 year's subscription, all of this is worth over $1,300. Here's the deal. I've done the math, and basically I should be charging you around $114 a month for all of this stuff, but I'm not going to do that. I'm inviting you to pay $27 a month. That's a 75% discount for all of that. And it can actually get better as well. If you pay for a full year upfront, you'll receive 2 months for free. Oh, and I forgot one more thing. Silly me. As well as access to all of my courses, my vault of workshops, and all my coaching sessions, plus a once a month newsletter for all the VIPs, the VIP community, support, and the once a month coaching session live. You'll also get automatic access to every new course that I release while you're a member. That's a minimum of 2 new courses a year for no extra cost. So what are you waiting for? Get into the membership area. It's only $27 a month for all that good stuff, everything you need to become that creative pianist you've always wanted to be. I'll see you inside, guys.